Till the sun is shining up all the way, so the itchy bitchy spiders club is out again. Yes, at the sky, see? It's cold. I'm singing my booty.
Okay, sing more, Moana.
So I know. Oh, so let's go. Oh, in my feet. I will go back to the mountain.
Go.
Si Baby Peanut ay talaga namang kinagigiliwan siya ng lahat online dahil sa kanyang kakulitan at lumalabas na personalidad. Nakakatuwang makita kung paano niya namamana ang mga katangian ng kanyang mga magulang, taglay niya ang kabaitan at lambing ni Jessie, at ang sense of humor at karisma ni Luis. Ngayon pa lang na nagsisimula siyang gumawa ng mga tunog na parang kumakanta, hindi mapigilan ng mga fans ang kiligin dahil sobrang mini Luis na niya. Bawat bagong video o larawan niya ay talaga namang nakakabighani, lalo na kapag siya'y tumatawa o sumasabay sa musika. Ang nakakatuwa pa, bata pa lang siya pero kitang-kita na ang malaking personalidad at natural na charm na kanyang taglay at ngayon pa lang na nagsisimula siyang gumawa ng mga tunog na parang kumakanta. Hindi mapigilan ng mga fans ang kiligin. Sobrang mini Luis niya talaga. Bawat bagong video o larawan ni Baby Peanut ay punang good vibes. Lalo na kapag siya'y tumatawa o sumasabay sa musika, napaka-pure ng joy na dala niya. Sa bawat tawa at ngiti mo, Peanut, ramdam ng lahat ang liwanag ng pagmamahal. Lumalaki kang punang saya, at yan ang pinakamagandang awitin sa puso ng iyong mga magulang.
What are you making? You're making pancakes? For Peanut or for Papa? For Peanut. What? The bowl is small? Okay. It looks so yummy. Nice. What else? What else do you need?
Oil.
What? Oil? Bahay. Kahit ang halaman ay singkamas. What? Again. Bahay. Kahit ang halaman ay okay. And then you finish na? Finish na? Blower pa pala. May blower pa pala. Okay, go.
I just want to comb.
You just want to comb? Okay, here's the comb. Comb lang daw ang gusto niya. Okay. Comb. Shh. Okay.
Okay, finish.
Yun na yun? Babayaran ko yun? Bahay.
Kubo.
Kahit
Monte.
ang halaman
Doon.
ay
Sawa.
singkamas.
Asang. Yeah, that will be. Then I say it's well I track the pack on it. Oh, I think that one is the bug. That one.
May bug daw sa labas. Can you continue singing, please?
Yes. I'm serious.
Okay, go. How about golden?
I can stand at the edge of the wire. Young, I can remember. I can remember. Never knowing why. I wish. I can be the perfect daughter. But to come back to the wall. Yeah, to the help I try.
Panzano.
The help I try. I take as well I try. The path I make can't go back because I know can't follow the bond to me. See the light of the sky I can see. Go on me. So I know. Oh, so let's go.
Go.
Oh, where am I feet? Behind me.
Go. Golden. Da-na-na-na. Manzano yung boses.
I can stand at the edge of the water longest I can remember every moment mine. I wish I can be the perfect toy.
Wow.
But I come back to the water, never have far as right. As you turn, I take, I feel, I trust. The fact I make, I can't go back. First I know, and that's one of the wrong to me.
Ganda ng boses. Manzano to.
Go with me. Now I know I was forward. I did it. I said I can stand
Ulit.
at the end of the wire.
Umulit lang.
Longest
I love you.
I can remember.
Manzano.
For
Ang
what
ganda
is
ng
all.
boses. Mana sa akin.
I said